Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the new insect in Heartopia, the Green Flower Chafer. So in this Call of Wheels Fan Week 2, there are a new insect that you can catch, and one of them is this Green Flower Chafer. Like this, it's a bug with the green color like this. I think it's so beautiful. And to catch this zephyr, you can just go to the forest, more precisely at the deer tower, and it's found all time all weather. So just go to this deer tower area over here, deer tower, like this. And then next you just walk around until you see this insect, this bug, and then next just equip your insect net and then just catch it. And to make it more easily when you catch it, you can just use this item, this tool, the sense booster, that will mark the insect that near you. It will make the insect catching more easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.